some of it fresh. They go down. Beautiful. Bye. Saan bang makain natin dito? See you this? Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this. And this. How strong this one? Very strong. They just grow themselves in the huge tree. It's a vine tree.
The big tree. What?
Yes, it's
Okay,
from
you
the
got
roots.
big roots.
The roots and go all the way to the top, and then they're hugging each other and they go all the way to the top of the tree.
It's
Amazing.
this is the entrance of Philippine Eagle.
Yeah. We're hungry and I want to eat. Oh, there's nothing to eat. Nakit tayo na.